Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So today is a really, really sad day
Why?
because Daddy is
Because?
moving his car.
Oh no, we have to say bye-bye to this Genesis car.
Because he keeps bumping his head.
So bye-bye car.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So we have to say bye-bye to this new old car because Daddy will have a
Kia Telluride.
new car. It's like an SUV so that Daddy can
It's
go
like
out.
Mommy's car.
Yeah, it's like Mommy's car.
Today she went to Ross and she went to TJ next to
Job interview.
job interview.
Yeah.
This is Mommy's car. We have to stand there.
I told Francesca that maybe one of these days we can vlog my car. What's inside my car? Yeah, what's inside my car? And because I always saw that in the YouTube sometimes. So
And guys, look, I have new slippers.
oh, you have a new slippers.
And we're matching. Matchies.
Where's Daddy? Hey, Daddy, say
Hi.
bye-bye to your car.
Bye-bye, car.
Bye-bye, car.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, this is like
All of our navigations are erased.
yeah. How many years is this?
3.
3 years. 3
3
years.
years.
Bye-bye, car.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So that's it. And later we will be picking up the new
And
new
we'll
Daddy's
film
car.
again later.
Yeah, and
when
we will.
pick up Daddy's car at the Kia Telluride in Naperville.
Where?
Very good.
Where are you
Kia
gonna-
Telluride in Naperville.
Okay.
Gerald
So
Kia.
see you later.
Huh?
Gerald Kia
Gerald Kia.
in Naperville.
Yeah, see you later, guys.
See you later in the Kia Telluride.
And we will tour.
Yeah.
You in Daddy's new car.
Watch out, what are those?
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be holy.
A few moments later.
We are here at the Kia to pick up Daddy's car.
Yeah, we're here in Kia. That's Kia. We're here in Kia. Where? There you go. See, there are lots of cars in here, Fran. Where are we gonna park you? Yeah, that one? Okay, maybe that's Daddy's Kia. Telluride. Yeah, this one. Oh my gushy! Wow. Is that it? Oh.
I moved your purse.
Oh yeah, maybe not. Yep, this is Daddy's Kia Telluride. Come here, friend. Yep, this is the one. Wow. Wow. So, okay, get in. Where you want to sit down? This one or this? Where you want to put your car seat? This one here? Or there? There, because Daddy have to move.
They closed it.
Where? Yeah. Ooh.
And there's a
Nice.
little step.
Yeah. Look at Daddy. It's there. I will show you the trunk because this is very big. Okay. There you go. See how big is this? This is the
And this one turned into a
trunk.
chair.
Yeah, this one turned to a chair. And this one too. I'll try to pull it. Ow!
Yeah, look.
Yeah, see? So it's like 7 seaters. This is 6. No, I can't. And this one, look at this one. Oh, there's a box here, hon. I don't know. It's a white box. It's a toolbox, maybe. It's big. Oh, the jack, maybe. I don't know. See, if you want to hide something here, you can. And see, and this one, you can put many luggages, whatever, how many you want.
Hold that up.
Which one? Yeah, but it's heavy though. I know it's already there. Okay.
Hold it.
All right. Go ahead.
I'm gonna go sit.
Oh, babe, give me that. She wants to sit down. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I don't know. I can't. Don't sit down there. I have to hold here. She wants to sit down, but I cannot. Yeah, get up there. Yeah.
This one folds down.
Yeah, I know. That fold it's down.
I'll make you on the other side.
All right. And then how to close this trunk? This one, I cannot reach it. Okay, it's automatic. Just press that one, and then it will close automatic.
It says Kia Telluride.
Right.
Telluride means 3 seats.
Sheets, so go ahead and choose what picture you want to be your profile picture.
Oh, Paul is coming up. Or the air
I like this
balloon.
one,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's nice.
get it.
It's a colorful one.
Let's just go see that. Bluetooth.
I think I had the Bluetooth off when I was in the car, so it's in there.
Put your face in your password.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device and go to search on your device.
Here,
Select
Kia.
the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Yeah, so I've seen quite a few Tellurides, but I only seen one 2022.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is
Oh.
only the second 2022 that I've actually seen.
Oh my.
Yeah, this is the first one that I've seen here at the lot. I haven't seen
Oh.
any 2022s.
What was the old model? The
2021.
2021.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is 2022.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I called State Farm and told them about the new car so I could get the insurance done. And they didn't have the 2022s in the system yet.
Oh.
Yeah. This is only
So
the
this is
second
the
one I've
first
seen.
time. Oh, okay.
They
Yeah.
didn't
The
have
one-
it in there yet. So,
Yeah. The one I seen in Texas
Yeah.
was the Sangria, and it was in 2022. I seen it twice while I was down there. They must have been in the same area we were at, because I seen them at the Sam's
Right.
Club, and I seen them driving.
Back here.
Yeah, so we're here inside in our new car. I know, I mean,
Yeah.
daddy's new car.
We can have a picnic back here.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a big.
Telluride means 3 seats in a row.
Okay, see, look at it. How spacious is that? You can sleep there. You can bring your blanket and
Yeah,
pillow, right?
Yes.
Yes. There. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
How are you?
Playing with my phone.
Oh yeah, he's playing. He's setting up his
He's
new.
playing Fortnite.
Yeah, right.
He's setting up his new password
And I'm
to
here.
put on that
I'm here.
GPS. Yep, this is it. Hi.
Hi. I'll sit here.
How are you, Bunny? You like there?
Yes. We like it here.
Just a second.
Okay, hello. We're going home and we're bringing our daddy's brand new car.
That is there.
How are you there?
Fine. How are you?
I'm good.
How's your car seat there?
Good.
Yeah.
Sitting here.
Yeah.
Behind
How's the
Mommy.
driving, Daddy?
Fine.
I'm sitting behind Mommy.
Oh yeah, we're sitting behind each other. Are you good there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like Daddy's car. Goodbye. See you in our next adventure or video or shopping video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you
That's
for
exciting.
watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, friends.